the name implies, the District Panchayat and Rural Development Officer has two roles. One is to sustain the Panchayati Raj institutions, the Zilla Parishad, the Panchayat Samiti, the Gram Panchayat, its functioning, its internal, external audit, the human resources involved therein, mostly in Panchayat Samiti and Gram Panchayat, and in the sector of rural development, the schemes that are being implemented, whether they're being implemented in the right way, and the funds that are being suballotted by the government for development purposes, their utilization. These are the key areas of a DPRDO's role. Then also Panchayat general elections, Panchayat inspections, appointments, recruitment, and transfer postings of people. Everything comes in under the umbrella of District Panchayat Rural Development Office.